I'm Sanjeevan Shirke, working with UTI Mutual Fund as Senior Vice President and Chief Information Security Officer since 1992. First thing, a developer has to see that what is the service, what is this service, for example, a web service, or for example, a client architecture based service. So, is this service a business critical service? What is the front end? What is the back end? Am I capable of doing this development for them? First, that is very important. If you don't know the models and techniques, he cannot fit into this. So after looking at this, he has to look what are the various controls which he should put in terms of development. What is the logic, the way it has developed? Is it a fresh logic, or he has to take over somebody's logic? So understanding somebody's logic is going to be difficult. He will take some time. So before understanding, he has to do a system analysis study of that particular service. The context diagrams, the linkages, how the files are linked with each other, what are the keys which are very important. So all this he has to relook and think from his ideology of his theory and understand those, and from there he can take and start changing or modifying that. Coming to the database side, of course he has to understand the database structure, because finally when you are going to do something from the front end, everything happens at the back end. So everything from the front end is very important to the back end, so that aspect is very important. He has to also see, is there any latency in execution? So where is the back-end infrastructure located? Where is the front end? What is the linkage between that? Is it a LAN-based development? Is it a WAN-based development, or geographically located far away? So all this has to be considered. He has to not only look from the system analysis and designing perspective, but also from the infrastructure perspective as a holistic look.